This is the core of IDP, Integrated Data Processing, as developed by the Finance and Service Operations Department and installed in 12 key locations across the country. This installation includes a selector panel, a transmitter, a printer, reperforators, and outside the office, such machines as slave printers and tape-to-card converters. All standard Western Union and IBM equipment, but equipment linked for the first time to integrate stock control and replenishment, accounts receivable and warehouse shipment, and financial, marketing, and manufacturing data for the product departments. Actually, a total of 9 product departments, which account for 87% of the warehouse business, are being worked into the system. To see how the system works, let's follow the processing of an actual order. An order from the Philadelphia Electric Company for 2 catalog 26H27 100 kVA transformers. When the edited order reaches the operator, she selects from a storage file a pre-punched tape containing constant customer data. A second pre-punched tape contains constant product data. These tapes function in 2 ways. As customer and product tapes, they automatically type this constant data on the invoice. And as program tapes, they automatically start and stop the equipment for the typing of variable data and actuate the reperforators which produce the product department and accounts receivable tapes. With the selector panel set to tie the reperforators and the warehouse printer into the process, the operator places the customer tape into the transmitter and turns it on. The transmitter then reads the tape signals and causes the printer to produce a customer's invoice, stopping every now and then to allow the operator to type in the variable data. When this tape is finished, the operator inserts the pre-punched product tape to finish the invoice. Down in the warehouse, at the same time that the printer in the office is producing the customer's invoice, an electrically connected machine, really another printer but without a keyboard, is producing simultaneously the necessary shipping papers, using the same information from the same tapes. In this way, the transformers can be selected and sent on their way without delay. Previously, the shipping papers were prepared manually as a separate operation from the preparation of the invoice, and stock shipment was, of course, correspondingly slower. But the preparation and filling of the order is only the beginning of the process. While the automatic typewriters are producing the invoice and shipping papers, the reperforators are producing 2 5-channel tapes. One of these tapes is called the accounts receivable tape. This tape, containing only district accounting information, goes to general accounting, where it's fed into the district tape-to-card converter, which produces from it an IBM card that becomes the accounts receivable record. At the end of the month, the IBM cards are fed into an automatic tabulating machine to produce the customer's statement, all printed and ready for mailing. The tape from the second reperforator, containing product department information, is fed into the tape consolidator, which combines it with all the rest of the tapes for that day for the same product department, and the tapes are sent to the product department, in this case, the distribution transformer department at Pittsfield. There, the tape is run through a tape-to-card converter which produces 2 cards. The first card is reproduced for manufacturing control purposes, and the original 2 cards are forwarded to the financial section, where they're used for financial and statistical purposes. Thus, they enable each of the product departments, according to its own local program, to have a running story of sales and warehousing activity, down to model-by-model detail that is no more than 1 or 2 days behind the actual sales. With this accurate and quick tally, the department has materially reduced the time required to translate sales data into factory action. This is the new warehouse order processing system. It offers 3 important benefits. It improves customer service through the same-day warehouse shipments and facilitates having the right stock in the right place at the right time. It provides current and meaningful information to the product departments to help permit sound factory loading and scheduling and stock replenishment when and where needed. It reduces clerical expenses at each stage. The new warehouse order processing plan ushers in a new era for both sales office and product department, the era of office automation.